Hi beauties! Welcome back to Hikoco's channel. Oh my gosh, the Peripera is back with another new lip tint. Following the trend, it is a soft matte blurry tint which is the ink matte blur tint, so-called ink matte in Korean. So I'm going to review this Peripera's new masterpiece for our beauties. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. A slim bottle comes with 3.8 grams that look like a container. It is easy to carry in the pocket. Spin the cap to open. Oh, it is hard to take an applicator out. A slanted shape applicator. One side is slightly curvy that fits on the lip curve. It's not too wide, so I find a bit difficulty in spreading the tint. But it's very flexible so I can reach the corner part of my lips easily. Let's take a look. Number 1. Goddess Beige. It is easy to see the number on the cap. It is a delicate brown-orange shade with nudie tone. It dries out quickly and pigmented on lips well. Number 2. Vintage Ginger. It is very similar to number 1 shade. I feel like a drop of coral has added to number 1 shade. It feels a bit dry at first, but once you rub it in, it softly spreads on lips. I tried to smudge the edge to get the blurry effect. Number 3. Heatwave Orange. This is a scarlet red which will be perfectly for pale skin tone. Water cleanser cannot remove this lip tint. Number 4. Passion Apple. This is an apple red with a drop of matte chili. My favorite color so far. Just apply this tint roughly, then oompa to spread color evenly. Bam! How easy! You can also use the leftover on your lips for blusher. It is just between coral and pink that contains warm tone and cool tone. Love it. Number 5. Dusky Orange. Another orange brick color with more red tone. You can put a small amount on your lips to create watercolor effect lip makeup. Or by using an applicator, carefully fill in the lips to create a fuller lips. When you layer them, it gives a totally different look and feel. Number 6. Newest Coral. It is a typical coral orange shade. Why newest coral? I feel like to lick it as it's so much creamier than the other lip tint. This applicator can reach the corner of the lips. Oh, it looks more to fluorescent orange-red color. This color is perfect for summer. Number 7. Blushed Pink. One of the few pink shades in this collection. I have tried to create very natural pink lips. It is perfect for daily look. Number 8. Hush Pink Beige. This is a MLBB color. So soft touch with creamy texture. This is very easy to blend. Similar to Peripera, the Ink Airy Velvet number 5. It creates a sweet, lovely girl look. The last color, number 9, Thrilling Red. This is a brighter red shade. It is perfect for refining lip shape. If you are the red lip lover, this is the perfect shade. Let's swatch them. Goddess Beige, Vintage Ginger, Heatwave Orange, Passion Apple, Dusky Orange, Newest Coral, Blushed Pink, Hush Pink Beige. Let's smudge them. Color is faded slightly when you smudge it. After a few minutes, I try to wipe it out with a cleansing tissue. Wow, it stains. Good job, Peripera. Fighting! Bye, beauties. Let's be pretty.